there they are. Wow.
It might not be fully original, but it is still cool to see the Lexan buttons.
Huh, the indicator's screwed up on this one. So we'll just look at the buttons.
What is this, a permanence?
Yes. This used to have the first gen digital indicator, you can tell by that there.
Oh yeah.
Any leveling?
Set it to 1. Want to take a look, right?
Yep, these are on the original controller, actually. Yeah, I want to try to get the other one, though.
Okay. Let's not spend too much time here, though.
Yeah, we don't want to.
ADA compliant phone. Interesting.
Looks like a Janus phone, almost. Yeah, the cab on this car is covered.
It's pretty neat, actually. I like these Lexan buttons.
Me too.
This is actually the tallest Lexan I've ever been on.
Huh. Did you think it would be in Florida, of all places?
Probably not, actually, no.
This is far from the tallest I've been
Actually,
on.
I've been on a taller Lexan at First Federal Plaza in Rochester, but this is still pretty close to the tallest, though.
Alright. Let's get the other car. And this one,
You can set it back down. Sound good?
yep. And this one, the indicator works on.
These are fast.
For what they are, yeah.
Go ahead and set back to 1.
Alright, hold on just a sec. Hold one. Look at that button. Alright, hold the door open for me. I want to get another photo back here. There used to be an Otis logo there, and we'll go to 1. Door close button's missing.
On this one, at least. And just like the other car, does this have a... Oh, yes, it does.
This is really cool.
Yeah, it actually kind of is. Neat to see this in Florida. Of all places. View of the cab. It's not really anything too unique, but it is.
And here we are.
It's a nice wooden handrail right there.
And we're gonna get out here. And there it goes. And that'll be it.